Hi student, so many of you have not completed exercise 7.10. So I will discuss some of the questions, some of the doubt asked by some students. Yes, they are somewhat tricky, difficult. So let us see this question. We will see and then we will move towards properties of definite integral. Okay. So question number 9 we will see here. Find the integral of 1 by 3 to 1 1 by 3 to 1 x minus x cube to the power 1 by 3 upon x to the power 4 dx. So see here, this is not under 1 by 3, so I will bring this denominator under 1 by 3. So what I will do, I can write it x to the power 12 whole to the power 1 by 3. Now it is same x to the power 4 or not. So same thing I will do it. 1 by 3 to 1. So x minus x cube. Now it is x to the power 12 whole to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Now inside only I will divide by x to the power 12. So limit 1 by 3 to 1. Now inside I am going to divide by 1 by x to the power 12. So it will remain here x to the power minus 11 and minus x to the power minus 9 whole to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Now from these two I will take common x to the power minus 9. See here, 1 by 3 to 1. So x to the power minus 9 I have taken common, and the remaining here is x to the power minus 2 and here minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. So here also whole to the power 1 by 3 will be there. That power you have to give 1 by 3 here. Okay. So this will become 1 by 3 to 1. This will become x to the power minus 3 into x to the power minus 2 minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 dx. Now come to the substitution. So see, if we will substitute this as a t. So see the substitution. Put x to the power minus 2 minus 1 equal to t. Therefore this is minus 2 x to the power minus 3, because in differentiation we reduce the power, means minus 1 हम करते, so minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 and minus 1 का differentiation क्या होगा 0, so equal to t. Therefore x to the power minus 3 dx, here dx is there, this is dt, sorry this is dt, equal to dt upon minus 2. Okay. So now see, next we will see the limit. When x is 1 by 3, so put here x is 1 by 3. See, x जब 1/3 होगा तो ये क्या होगा, सी हियर x, put here 1/3 whole to the power -2 - 1. This is 1/3, so I can write it 3 to the power -1 whole to the power -2 - 1. Now this into this will become 3 to the power 2 - 1. Now I can write it as 9 - 1 equal to 8. So t equal to 8. When x was 1/3, then t is 8. Now see, when x is 1, so 1 to the power -2, so 1 - 1 equal to 0. Therefore limit will be from 8 to 0. So see the new limit, 8 to 0. Then the in the terms of t variable limit is, see here, x to the power -3 dx, x to the power -3 dx is equal to dt upon 1/-2. So 1/-2 will be outside, right here dt. Inside this is t, so t to the power 1/3. Now this is -1/2, 8 to 0. T to the power 1/3, its integration will be t to the power 1/3 plus 1, it is 4/3. Now here it is 3/4. Okay, now this 3/4 will come out, so -1/2 into 3/4. Now we have to put the limit, 4/3, sorry, here it is 4/3, sorry, power gone. See here, sorry, I paused, therefore it was not recorded here. I think I reached up to here. So after that this is -1/2 out, so 3/4 is also constant, so I took it out. So remaining here t to the power 4/3, and limit is from 8 to 0. See next is -3/8. Now I substituted the limit 0, so here overall it is 0 only. Now minus 8 to the power 4/3. 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 4/3. 3 and 3 got cancelled. So the remaining is 2 to the power -2 to the power 4 only. So -2 to the power 4 is -16 here. Minus is outside, 2 to the power 4 only. So 2 to the power 4 is 16 and minus sign, -16. So -16 got cancelled by 8. So remaining is -2. So -3 into -2 equal to 6. So 6 is the correct option. Okay. We will see one more question. See the next question, 10th. It is also objective type questions. So you know here we have to use by part only. By parts of method also we can use here. So simple it is, we have to use first formula. What is the formula? First function into integration of second function minus integration of derivation of first function into integration of first function. Second function. So put here first function is t, integration of second function sin t integration. So integration of sin t will be what? So integration of sin t will be here minus cos t. Okay, minus cos t. Okay, now minus integration of, next is differentiation of first function t, so it will be 1 only. Next, so integration of second function is minus cos t minus cos t dt. So now this is dt here. This minus minus will become plus. So here t minus t cos t minus minus plus. Now integration of cos t is sin t completed. But here we have to substitute the limit, that is 0 to x. Okay, now we'll substitute then first substitute x in place of t, so this will become minus x cos x plus. Now substitute here sin x. Now 0 will substitute 0 minus, if t is 0 this will become 0 and this is also 0, so remaining is sin x minus x cos x. Sin x minus x cos x is not there in the option. I think I have done mistake somewhere. Integration of sin t